Error compass variance.
Yeah, will do. Alright, you're at 150 feet. Keep on climbing and keep on heading toward the trees.
Battery voltage 10.46.
Yeah, keep on climbing. Oh, no, actually stop climbing. You're good, you're good. You're at 342. You can level off. 350. You're fine there. Keep going. You want to lose a little bit of altitude. You're about to hit your ceiling. You're at 390. 395. 398. 399. 400. 390. You didn't break? Oh, 401. You just broke. Sorry. Alright, go ahead and turn around. Do a left bank turn.
Oh, is it switching of camera or? Oh, now it's better.
It's okay. Are you moving it?
I haven't touched it.
Oh, you haven't? Alright, we'll see.
She's banking left, so the wing went
Yeah,
out.
okay, we're going to set into guided mode right on the waypoint. And we're doing it. Hold on. I'll let you know when it happens. In 3, 2, 1, go. And
Battery
yeah, that's
voltage
fine. 328 is good.
11.17.
Alright, it's in guided. Oh, it is not in guided. Sorry, you have control. You have control.
Yeah.
You have control.
What happened?
You're in FPWA. Sorry, turn back around and head back over there. I don't know. It didn't go into guided for some reason. Sorry. You're at 457. You should, yeah, you are high. You're at 410.
Battery voltage
390,
11.25.
360, 350. Gimbal 0 is still fine. Alright, we'll try this again. Keep on going. Okay. You can gain altitude a little bit and make a left bank turn. Turn back around. You can go right if you want, it's fine. Oh.
Battery voltage 11.25.
Are you leveled out?
Level.
Okay, we're switching to guided mode right now.
Mode changed to
Okay, guided. Now it's in guided. It's climbing back up to 328. It's going towards the point. 0's fine. It's turning. Gimbal seems to be performing well. Quite well. Alright.
Battery voltage 11.17.
So, Mike,
Yep.
now is the time. I think all you should have to do, I believe, is tilt down a little bit. There's the blue tent. Okay.
And to hold the tent here in the
Yeah,
middle.
and try to hold that tent in the middle. And you're gonna have it's gonna be kind of like this big. So it's pretty big, but you gotta get it right in the middle. Alright.
Battery voltage 11.12.
Now,
the script.
yeah, I have to activate the script. Okay, so script activated. Okay, and that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate the tracking algorithm now. Just hold it in the center.
Switching. Oh, now it's steady.
Hold it in the center.
Battery voltage 11.23.
There we go. We're tracking it.
Should I stop?
Hold it. Yeah, you don't need to move it. And there we go. There's distance to home, and there's the radius. So it's stable, but it's off by a ways.
500. This is your radius.
Yeah. The 500 is mine. The 300 is GPS. So the interesting
Battery
thing is,
voltage 11.11.
try to keep it in the center. Actually, sorry. Try to keep it in the center.
Okay.
Looks like there's a fairly large error, but it looks stable-ish. And also, this is sending the middle, so
Battery voltage
it's not completely,
11.18.
you know what I mean? Like,
But it's cool. It's really in the middle of square also.
Yeah, it's
The
pretty
pen.
close in the middle of square, so that's pretty good. And yeah, it's stabilizing out about 500. It's kind of jumping around quite a bit though.
So yeah, the first experiment. I mean, the most in the center as possible. There is object, and we can do another
Battery
experiment.
voltage
That the square is, for
11.00.
example, here or here. You know that it's going around.
Well, we can do that right now. Allow, move it so that it starts going near the edges.
Tell me where.
Just move it
Maybe,
out.
yeah.
Like over
Mhm,
there,
yeah.
and see how it's actually getting more accurate now. Interesting. That's extremely accurate, actually, over there.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, yeah, that's like much more accurate when it's over there.
Battery voltage 11.06.
Try it.
Try it on the other side.
The other side, but slow. Can we move this here?
Yeah, we can move it.
But for the
Yeah,
camera,
now it's getting
not good for the
larger.
camera.
Yeah, so it's like.
Maybe.
So does that mean we're lagging behind still? Like.
Oh, I will move here.
Yeah.
To
Yeah.
Oh,
the
okay,
filming,
for the
yeah.
camera.
For
Oh,
the
yeah.
camera.
I've got most of it.
Oh, what?
So yeah, it's
Battery
getting, it
voltage
gets higher
10.95.
as you move it back that way.
So maybe you have some bug in
It's
the
lagging.
program.
Yeah, that's not getting it right. Because and that move it back to the other side now.
Oh,
On the left
too fast.
side. Yeah, it's getting better. Can you move it a little bit more? Closer to that edge? Yeah, it goes down.
Mm. It
So
looks like that here is 0 for you.
Yeah. Looks like that's where
Battery voltage
where I'd want it to be or
10.92.
something. And maybe the 0 is slightly messed up.
Try go.
Go up or down and see in the same spot and see if it's significantly different. Alright, tracks. Goes up a little bit. And go to the bottom. About the
Battery
same.
voltage
It doesn't change as
10.90.
much. So it seems like left to right has a much bigger impact. Move it back to the center now. Yeah,
Battery
so-
voltage 10.81.
That's interesting.
Try to move this way.
Yeah.
Oh, we are on the edge.
Oh yeah, we're on the edge of it.
Battery voltage 10.92.
I'm gonna go ahead and reinitialize it. So I'm gonna end it and restart it, so we can see what happens next.
Save
So
values, yeah.
okay, I'm ending it.
And you should
Just look
keep
at
it
that
in the center again.
and try to
as in the center as possible. Yeah.
get as close to the center as possible. All right, I'm initializing right now. Just keep it in the center.
Battery voltage 10.72.
But the tracking works pretty good. huh?
Yeah, it's fairly impressive.
Catch
Yeah,
it.
Okay,
and we
it's
caught it.
okay,
It's
I
just
think.
on the edge. I think the box we're making is a little too large. Probably make it smaller. I mean, the good news is it's a fairly stable radius, especially if you're filtering out the noise on that signal. It's going to be stable. It might not be super accurate,
Battery voltage
but you may be able to.
10.83.
You might stabilize a larger radius than you want, but
Yeah.
you're
The
probably
accuracy is not so critical.
the accuracy might not be as super critical.
Yeah.
So, interesting. Now, one potential problem would be
Battery
you would
voltage
need this target to stay
10.80.
like in the center because you wouldn't want it to move because that would essentially be telling you to start a different radius. You know, you'd have to be consistent. You'd have to. It's only stable for one region, right? Because like if you started increasing the radius and you were trying to come back, you need this to be in the same spot, so it would tell you to come back to this point. You need you need it always to stay in the center. Yeah.
Battery voltage 10.78.
Tilt up really quick. Actually, I'm going to end it, and I want you to tilt up and look at your 0 position. So I'm going to end the algorithm right now. Go ahead and tilt up.
Try and center them.
Yeah, center it as much as possible. So that's your 0. So that looks pretty good, honestly.
Battery voltage 10.79.
So that's completely zeroed.
That looks zeroed. Close.
All right, go back down. I'm gonna get one more piece of data for it. So that is that. Do you have to? You're keeping in the center. All right, I'm gonna activate. Sorry, I'm gonna activate it one more time. All right.
Battery voltage 10.69.
Bring it a little bit more to the right. All right.
Oh, it's running away. There we go.
There you go. I'm gonna activate it right. Oh, is it twitching?
Go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's twitching.
Sometimes it's like this.
Battery voltage 10.66.
Huh.
You don't want to start it.
And now it's twitching.
Think it's twitching too much?
Maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna start it right now. Oh,
Battery voltage 10.54.
Miss.
got it. It's like, yeah, I think we missed. I'm gonna end it. It's a miss. Try again. Starting.
Battery voltage 10.69.
We missed it again.
Alright.
I'm gonna
One more time.
mark the center of the screen
Mm-hmm.
so it's easier for you to tell exactly
That would
where
be
the
a lot
center
easier.
is. How should I mark it? Can we get tape? Quick.
Tapes and glue. Oh, okay. Like
Just masking tape. That tape's fine. And then, do we have a ruler?
I'm not
Just
sure. I don't
guesstimate.
know.
Battery
Keep it
voltage
close.
10.76.
Because I don't really have even a frame of reference, really.
Yeah. So I think the center should be like right
Like here.
there. So try to get it on that tape. Alright. I'm going to initialize right.
Battery
Now?
voltage 10.73.
I mean, the
Keep it on
square
that
is not
tape.
too large. You see that it's hard to get.
Yeah, maybe the square is big
It's
enough.
okay,
You want it to be
yeah.
bigger. We just missed it a little bit.
She goes quite in the center all the time. Maybe those straps are more significant.
Oh yeah, maybe those stripes are messing with it because those are pretty clear stripes.
Battery
But
voltage
following is
10.67.
quite okay. It's pretty close.
Yeah.
The tent is on the edge all the time.
The only problem is we're
Something
sending
the
the
center,
center of this, not this point. So
Yeah.
that is.
But in fact,
Okay.
no, it matters now because we have distance to the tent. But
yeah.
otherwise, everything.
Oh, yeah,
can
yeah, yeah, yeah,
be
yeah.
stable. It's good.
Battery
That is
voltage
good. Okay, I'm gonna try one more
10.69.
time. Try to keep it right on that piece of tape. Okay. Oh. Okay, initializing right now. Great.
Good.
That's a good one.
Okay.
All right.
Battery voltage
Yeah, so it seems
10.71.
like we got some like steady air in it, and it's not. Oh, and it look, it's coming down,
What you're gonna do?
and we're going left.
So this is me not touching it at all.
That's how it's drifting in the
Yeah.
camera. It's interesting. So that's just like the steady point of where it is.
Yeah.
Battery voltage 10.71.
Yeah, this is me not controlling the gimbals at all.
We're at 10.6. We're doing okay.
Battery voltage 10.61.
And then it's coming back down. And it's getting really close. Huh.
Battery voltage 10.71.
Okay. Well, that's some data. I think this has been useful. So I'm going to go ahead and end that. And Hannah, go ahead and switch it into stabilizer, your mode of choice, and go ahead and land. Thanks, Mike.
Yeah.
Mode change to stabilize.
Yeah.
Battery voltage 10.76.
So now it's off, right? Yeah, it's too far forward now.
This turn was sharp.
Yeah, now it's fully forward.
Wow. Like pilot view, you know, for landing.
Battery voltage 10.89.
That's pretty good, actually. For landing.
Miss the 10.
Double 10.
Wow, nice landing.
And the gimbal went back.
Yeah.